If you're one of those travelers who just has a hard time packing what you need so that you don't end up paying the exorbitant baggage fees at the airport, then you might appreciate what I'm about to share. Yes, I love to travel, but I just don't like the frustration that often comes with it. So I try to eliminate as much as I can. If you feel the same way, then this video is for you specifically because I'm going to share with you what I did to solve all of that. The first thing is to just pack clothes that you can mix and match. Pack with those baggage fees in mind, which means that you should fit everything in a carry-on bag only and then stuff everything else in your personal item bag. Did you know that most airlines don't check the personal item bag? So it could be a backpack. That's what I take with me, even if I'm leaving for just 10 days. My backpack can fit so many things because I utilize all the pockets and compartments inside and outside. But please don't overdo it because I know sometimes we tend to do that. If you haven't grabbed my ebook bundle, then you won't know everything to do. Everything you should do, I should say, because that is where I go into all the details. It comes with 3 ebooks and it will give you a serious head start. And these are not just ordinary PDFs. The bundle is a blueprint I personally use to travel smarter, lighter, and cheaper every single time I fly. In this video, I'm going to break down the real-world techniques that connect all 3 ebooks and give you the strategies that helped me fit 10 days in one carry-on. No joke, I'm serious. No laundry, no extra fees, no check bags. So let's go. Let's do this. Number 1, remember it's all about your mindset. Let's get honest. Overpacking is usually fear disguised as just in case. That fear of not having enough while you're on your trip. But that is what will cost you baggage fees, sore shoulders, and airport chaos. The goal isn't to pack everything. The goal is to pack right. And that's where my 5-3-1 method comes in, which you'll find fully broken down inside the only travel packing guide you'll ever need. What does 5-3-1 mean? It includes packing 5 tops, 3 bottoms, and 1 wow piece of clothing. This could mean a little black dress or a top you can mix and match with your bottoms. And yep, I use this for international trips without missing a thing. Number 2, clothing and outfit strategy. Here's what I want you to remember, please. Neutrals are powerful. 1 black tank equals 3 outfits. Accessories change the whole vibe. Your wow piece isn't optional. It's your confidence outfit. Dinner, date night, and that selfie moment. Trust me, you're going to need it. Also, stop packing clothes that only work for one event. You're not planning a fashion show. You're trying to skip baggage claim and still feel amazing while doing it. Right? Number 3, toiletries and TSA-friendly hacks. Inside the ebook, Carry On Only, the blueprint for beating baggage fees, I give you every trick I've learned, from dodging TSA drama to avoiding check-in baggage. Let's go over the hits. Contact lens cases are perfect for eye cream, gel blush, even foundation. Solids are better than bringing liquids. Think shampoo bars, solid lotion, and toothpaste tablets. Yes, that's a thing. Clear pouches allow you to go through airport security faster. TSA agents love people who don't hold up the line. Why not that be you? Why not you be that person, I should say? And yes, bring any prescription meds in their original packaging, even if it's just a few doses. Never pack medication in checked luggage. Things can happen to your luggage, and that would be a disaster if you have no way of getting your medication. Number 4, and this is Cheryl's no laundry system. Let's address the elephant in the room. If you're not checking a bag, how do you stay fresh? You may ask. Here's my laundry-free life strategy. I air out clothes between wears, hang them up, and let them breathe. I don't repeat outfits back to back. I spread them out. I use wrinkle spray religiously. And I always pack extra underwear, flat packed and discreet. You can even put socks and underwear in your shoes to create more space. You can wear pieces more than once if you give them the space to air out and don't sweat through them. And if you travel smart, you will have options to rotate without ever needing a hotel laundry bag. Number 5, advanced carry-on tricks. Okay, inside the ebook titled 99 Carry-On Wins, you will see some of my best kept secrets. Let me pull out a few. Personal item stacking is a game changer. My tote bag slides over my suitcase handle, which makes navigating terminals effortless. I'll always pack a full change of clothes in my personal item. If your carry-on gets flagged or gate checked, you still have a plan B. Compression cubes equal more space. Packing cubes equal less chaos. I show you my actual layout in the ebook, so go grab this bundle before your next flight. So here's what I want you to do. Well, to do next. After you've purchased the bundle, go through each ebook, but pack while you're doing it. Don't just read quickly through it. Pack, touch, test. That's how you build muscle memory. Use the bonus checklist that comes with this bundle. That checklist is not in the ebooks. I built it separately for fast packing days and last minute packing moments. You just get up and go, and that's going to be your lifesaver. And don't let the old way of traveling trick you into thinking chaos is normal. It's not. You're going to have the tools now, so use them. Thank you so much in advance for grabbing this bundle. Yes, I know you're going to grab them. You will now be part of my carry-on crew. And trust me, once you travel this way, you're never going to go back to that old way of thinking or doing. No laundry, no baggage fees, and no regrets. Okay, so right now what I want you to do is I want you to go watch my upcoming video, 25 best websites to get cheap flights. Because I want you to not only travel as a pro, but to be prepared when you do so. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope this video was helpful. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss that 25 best websites and methods to get cheap flights. Because that's what you want, right? Yeah. Even before you pack that carry-on, you're going to want to book a cheap flight. All right. Thank you. This is Cheryl from True Travel Treasures saying bye, and thank you so much for stopping by. Check out my YouTube shop below to grab some of my travel resources and products. I'd appreciate that. And go grab the bundle. Thank you and take care. Safe flight.